external rotation, no, because I have to do that internal. So I'm going to have you scoot down to the end of the table. And you're going to want to bolster under the knee here over the side so she can see. Like this. And what I'm going to have her do is, well, this is going to, the movement arm and the fulcrum are going to line up with the patella and be perpendicular to the floor. And then I'm going to have her, I'm going to externally rotate her foot, which will internally rotate her hip. And we're going to line it up with the tibial shaft. And this should be about 50 degrees. And it's about there. So then we're going to do the exact same thing, line it up, perpendicular to the floor, in the middle of the patella, have her internally rotate, and this should be about 45 degrees, I believe, and hers is about 40. Alright, so now we're going to do passive range of motion for flexion, extension, abduction, adduction, and internal and external rotation. So we're going to start with flexion first, and there's two ways to do it, straight leg and bent leg, or bent knee. So we'll do straight leg first, and this is going to test her hamstring for hamstring tightness. Going to stabilize the ASIS, go up, make sure she keeps her knees straight, and make sure you feel for a good end feel when you go up. Make sure you compare bilaterally for all these. Next one, we're going to have her bend her knee to about 90 degrees, and we're going to have her bend her knee up, and this could be if it's tight or you can't go as far. When you compare bilaterally, could be because the quadriceps are tight or the abdominal muscles are tight. Next one we're going to do is extension, so I'm going to have her roll over. And the same thing for bent leg and straight leg. So straight leg, we're going to grab under her tibia and stabilize on her PSIS, raise her leg up, should feel a good end feel. Or if it doesn't raise up as much when you compare bilaterally, it could be because of the anterior capsule ligament could be tight. And then we're going to have her bend her leg again, and once again I'm going to lift up just proximal to the knee or distal to the knee, and once again when you compare bilaterally, if it's tight or doesn't raise up as much, could be because of the anterior capsule ligament. Next one we're going to do is hip abduction.
Up 30 seconds.
Okay, and she's going to be sideline. I'm going to have my hand over iliac crest. I'm just going to simply bring her leg up. Remember, feel for a good end feel. Going to compare bilaterally the abduction, so stripper pose. And what we're going to do is same thing, stabilize, bring leg up, and I'd have her flip over and compare bilaterally. And then internal and external rotation, I'd have her prone, knee bent, and what I would do is